G'day guys, Matty Graham here from Exponential Performance Coaching. Just want to follow up on last week's video about coughing after a hard race or training session and the difference between that and asthma. Let's take a look at it. So I got the question that, if I've got this cough post-race or hard session, what does that mean? And we talked last week about how it's just irritation of our airways and lungs. But some people have asthma, okay? And most people that have asthma know they've got asthma because it's not the first time that it's happened. But what's the difference between that cough that we get after a hard race or training session and actual asthma? It both affects the airways and our lungs, but it's slightly different. If you can imagine, this is the airway diameter, so looking down the airway of all these pipes in your lungs. When we're getting that cough post-race, all it is it's this internal lining here getting slightly irritated and just very, if anything, mild inflammation, not much at all. When we get asthma, there is a huge inflammation of the airway and it closes right up. So while the coughing post-race is just an irritation, there's not much change in the actual airway. With asthma, it constricts right up, so it's very hard to get air in and out of the lungs. So the coughing after a hard race or training session, there's not much change in airflow in and out of the lungs, whereas in asthma there is a very big change in the airflow, mostly out of the lungs, I do believe, so it's very hard to get the breath out. So there you have it. Could be similar, but it's not quite the same thing. If you suspect that you've got asthma, I'd suggest go down and see your doctor. Otherwise, it may just be this post-race or training session cough. How do you know the difference? This here is going to subside reasonably quickly, and it's only going to happen on rare occasions that you push really, really hard. Asthma, you probably know you've got it or you've suspected it, and it's probably going to flare up at times when you're not pushing overly hard as well. Some people do have exercise-induced asthma, which only comes out when they exercise. So the bottom line would be, if you think you've got asthma or this is becoming a real problem, it's limiting your ability to push hard and train hard, then I'd suggest go see your doctor or sports doctor and get tested to see if you've got asthma of some sort. There you have it. Keep the questions coming so I can keep giving you the good information so you can train harder, but most importantly, smarter.